Surah Al-Baqarah Ayah 9.
يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
Translation. They think to deceive Allah and those who believe, but they deceive not except themselves and perceive it not. What does this ayah mean? This ayah talks about hypocrites, people who pretend to be believers but secretly act against Islam. They think they can trick Allah and the believers, but in reality, they are only fooling themselves. Imagine a child who pretends to do their homework but actually just doodles on the paper. They think they are tricking their teacher, but when the test comes, they realize they have only fooled themselves. Some people act religious in front of others but do the opposite in private. They may believe they are deceiving Allah and the believers, but in the end, they are only harming themselves. What can we learn from this ayah? First, honesty is important. We should always be truthful with Allah, ourselves, and others. Second, faith is not just for show. Being a believer means truly following Islam, not just pretending in front of people. Third, Allah knows everything. No one can hide their true intentions from Allah. It's better to be sincere and strive to improve. Key points of this ayah. We should always be truthful and sincere because Allah sees everything. Pretending to be a believer without true faith only harms us in the end. What do you think? How can we make sure we are sincere in our faith and not just pretending? Share in comments box. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for more simple and meaningful Quran explanations. Thank you.